How's it going, everybody? My name's Luke,
I'm Jace.
and we are your guys' dealer sale team for Flux Defense. And we wanted to tell you guys about getting Flux Raiders into your area.
Recently, we've increased our production to be able to facilitate a wider network of dealers. We would like to get these out to your favorite dealer, so if you have a favorite dealer, reach out to them, tell them to email us at dealers@fluxdefense.com. Or if you are a dealer, please, we'd love to chat. We'd love to tell you all about our offerings. Reach out to us at fluxdefense.com.
And on the international side, if you're an unfortunate soul and weren't born in America, we are also trying our best to hook you guys up by having an international sales program. We run everything through Rainier Arms. They do all of our exporting for us. If you guys have any questions about any of that, please hit us up. We'd love to connect you guys. If you already have a relationship with Rainier Arms, then just reach out to them, tell them you want Flux products, and we'll get them to you.
That's right. And this year we are also attending a lot more events. We are going to be at the AIM Surplus event next month. And then in September we will be in Florida at Lawman Shooter Supply event.
Which, again, come out. They're super cool local events. We always try to support local guys and go to their events and just show up, show off all of our cool stuff. As you guys can see, this Raider X right here is the Ranger green one. Might come with a Ranger tab, might not. We haven't decided yet. But wanted to let you guys know that we can get you guys all of this stuff into your guys' location where you're at. Just hit us up, dealers@fluxdefense.com. Please, everyone, they have our families. I haven't seen my sister in months.
I haven't seen my wife in weeks.